Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I think this is the perfect little getaway set from ETRONIK.
This is a 21-inch carry-on bag that comes with a great little toiletry bag. This is the perfect size for those pesky airlines that have really strict guidelines. And this bag is chock full of pockets. On the inside, it has multiple interior pockets, side pockets, a large wet pocket, as well as this great shoe compartment on the bottom. And I love this little toiletry bag that it comes with. It fits so much stuff on the inside, and I love that it has a bottom storage container as well, just like the duffel bag. It is perfect for things like your makeup palettes or anything larger that you want to put in there. I also really love that this comes with two of those shoe bags for the shoe compartment with this little plastic piece so you can see which shoes are in the bag. I have size 9 shoes and I fit 2 pairs in there perfectly. This fits so much stuff. It is the perfect bag for a weekend away. I think it is so well designed, and I love that you can choose to either use it as a duffel bag or a rolling bag. It is just so versatile.
So whether you need the perfect duffel bag for a quick weekend away or the perfect carry-on for your next flight, you are going to love this set, and that is my point of view.